All right, let's talk about the debarkation process. Well, apparently on our sailing, the second sailing that is, they decided to start a new debarkation process. And so I went to the debarkation brief the day before we got into Galveston. And basically what they're doing now is they're incorporating the debarkation process into the app. And so when you pull up your planner, you know, there'll be a little button on the last day for debarkation. You'll click on that. It'll ask you some questions. You know, do you want to do the I think they call it the express debarkation, where you carry your own luggage off, or if you want them to carry your luggage off. So you'll check either one. I went with the option to have them carry it off. So I told them how much luggage I had. They gave me a time slot where I would expect to get off the ship, and they delivered the luggage tags to my room. I set my bag out the night before, and they took care of that. So the morning of debarkation, woke up, went to the main dining room, had breakfast, and then after that, you kind of have to go to what they call a relaxation area. And it's basically they try to keep deck 6 clear, because that's where the gangways are, and that's where people are going to be leaving the ship from. So they'll let you know, hey, you got to stay deck 7 or higher. And so what I did, I stayed on deck 8. I went back to Summer Landing where the Heroes Lounge was. They have these nice soft leather chairs, and there was hardly anybody up there. So I waited there until it was my turn to get off the ship. And when it's your turn, they will send you a notification to your app. It'll tell you, hey, you're free to come down to the gangway now. And that's what I did. I just went on down to the gangway, took the stairs down to deck 6. There was a guy right there, and he kind of ushered me right off the ship. Very smooth, simple, stress-free. I really enjoyed it. I really appreciate it. And now, admittedly, once I got off the ship and down into the terminal to retrieve my luggage, it was a bit of a free-for-all, but you know, it wasn't that bad. I was able to kind of fight my way through the crowd to get my bag, and made it out of the terminal and got on my shuttle to go to my parking lot. So I have to say this was the best debarkation process that I've experienced with Carnival. I hope they keep it up. I hope they keep working on it. So yeah, I really appreciated that.